In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on dark mode in Claude AI. If you prefer a darker interface that's easier on the eyes and reduces glare, especially at night, this walkthrough will guide you from start to finish in a clear and simple way. First, open your Claude account. That means launching Claude in your browser or app and signing in so you can access your personal settings. Make sure you're on the main screen where you can see your conversations or the home interface. Next, look for your profile area. On desktop, this is typically found in the top right corner as an avatar or a profile icon. On mobile, it may appear in a menu button near the top or bottom of the screen. Tap or click your profile to open its menu. From the profile menu, select Settings. This takes you to the place where Claude stores your account preferences. If you're on a smaller screen, settings might open in a panel. On larger screens, it might open as a full page. Either way, you'll be able to adjust how Claude looks and behaves. Inside settings, make sure you're under the general section. The general area is where the most common and universal preferences live. If you don't land there automatically, switch to general using the tabs or list on the side. Now scroll down within general until you find the appearance section. Appearance is where visual display options are grouped so you can control the overall look and feel of the interface. Take your time and scroll carefully. On some layouts, this section may be a bit lower on the page. Within Appearance, look for the Dark option. This is the setting that enables dark mode. Click or tap dark to turn it on. You should see the interface update almost immediately, with backgrounds shifting to darker shades and text adjusting for comfortable contrast. This change usually applies across the chat area, sidebars and menus, making everything easier to read in low light. That's all you need to do. Open your Claude account, go to your profile, choose Settings, head to General, scroll to Appearance, and select Dark. The choice typically sticks to your account, so the next time you sign in on the same device, your dark mode preference should be remembered. If you ever want to switch back, return to the same appearance setting and adjust it there. Enjoy a calmer, more comfortable viewing experience while you work and chat in Claude.